Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I recently shared a video with you on these creations that I have made. Now when I shared it, I disguised my voice into a creepy voice, and I did a lot of like breathing in the video. But this video now is to share with you what I have here, what I made, and where I got it from. So all the details are in this video in case you was wondering about the other one. In the other one, I wasn't able to say much because I was disguising my voice. So let's take a look here at what I did. Now this that you see here as a tree is actually a witch's hat. I got that at the Dollar Tree. So as soon as I saw it, I knew that I could make a tree out of it. So I got some of my little beads and wrapped it around. Red, especially red. That was perfect for this creation here. Now I placed a little skull on top. And then I have a rubber skeleton here. I also have some chairs with the skull on top. Those I got from Michael's a while back. And the crow is on one of the arms of the chair. So both chairs have that. Now I attempted to make presents. I only made one because this was just a test. I took one of these wooden blocks and I took some decorative paper and just cut little squares up so that it can look like a present. I didn't put any bow on top because I don't really have anything. I didn't really look for anything, but this was just a test with this. So I can fill all this up with presents all around the tree. Back here, you see a trifold frame that I got from a yard sale, and I am surprised that this ended up in a yard sale. These are real pictures of real people celebrating their Halloween. And to me, that gets a little creepy now because these are real people, and how did this end up in a yard sale? I could see them selling the frame, but the pictures? But you know what? This works for my creations. Then I have a little gray table here with a little skull. That is part of these chairs that I got from Michael's. So I just added little things that I have. I have a little crystal ball with the hands. This skull here is actually a ring. Then I have a little piece of cardboard, shiny cardboard. I just spilled some, fake blood on it. Now this hook is from the corned beef can, so I am using it for this. As you can see, this is nail polish, but I labeled it blood. So this is the Christmas celebration on Halloween. Now right underneath is that living room that I have created. I also made a bedroom in here with the skeletons, the bride and groom talking to each other. But now I converted it into a living room where the family is gathering up. So I have these 4 skeletons from the Dollar Tree, and I have the rubber one. This I've had for a long time. I don't even remember where I got it from. But these I got recently from the Dollar Tree. In addition to that, where they are sitting, these chairs I got at the Guild show recently in September. I got 4 of those chairs. There's one here. Beautiful chairs. And I love that they have gray. This is a good color to combine with any Halloween creation. So those are the chairs from the Guild show. Now the chairs where those 2 skeletons are sitting on, those are from Hobby Lobby, but they weren't meant to be dollhouse furniture. They were actually wall pieces. So I ended up removing the hook that they had behind them, and I'm just using them as dollhouse pieces. I've shared that with you in previous videos. Then this fixture here, this I got at the Guild Show in September. I love it. It's magnetic. Beautiful. That hand here, it actually lights up, and I forgot to switch it on, so I'm going to do that now so that you can see it. You probably did see it in one of my other creations, but I got this for $1.99 at a bargain store on my way to my bus stop from work. Then there's a picture here. I have a few old pictures. This is just decorative paper that I got from the thrift store. I have another one here, but this one I framed. I put this picture in that frame. And I chose gray, a gray frame on purpose so that it can match those chairs. That frame is from the Dollar Tree. This here is a little jewelry box, but I am using it as a center table, like a coffee table. Now these hands I got from the Dollar Tree. I believe they come 10 in a package, so I had a lot of those. So as you can see, the theme here is skeletal. All the skeletons, the skeleton hands, the skulls. These skulls are on top of napkin rings. These are napkin rings. Now that little ring on top of the napkin rings, that's part of a belt. So I had to remove the little hooks and take the belt apart so that I could use those pieces, which I can also use as picture frames. See this one here? So this was part of a belt, and I can easily make this a picture frame. Let's see, I do have a picture somewhere that I can show you. See this picture here? If I were to cut it, I can place that picture right behind it with maybe some cardboard in the back, and it makes a great round picture frame. So that's what these rings are. And the yellow paper as flooring is decorative paper from a pad that I had bought in Michael's. This is actually a pad with reversible sheets. So in the back, behind each one, there's another pattern. In a way, I'm not crazy about it. After time, I thought about it and I said, well, if I use one side, I'll be losing the other side. You know what I mean? So I feel like I'm getting gypped out of using both sides. Anyway, so back there's a plastic tooth with some fake blood on it and a skull, which I added some fake blood to. There's a phone in the corner over there with some black books. And that's it. Oh, the rats. The rats I've had for a while. I think I bought them at the Dollar Tree, like maybe 2 years ago or 3. Now these pieces of furniture here, I have 2 of those. I got them from Michael's. And they are Halloweenish. You see what I'm saying? They have a skull here. So everything that you see here has to do with skulls. So this is the Christmas celebration over here. This is how skeletons celebrate Christmas. And this is all the family being gathered up here for their Christmas and Halloween. Now this centerpiece here is the number 3. Not sure if you can tell, but that is the number 3. It's a heavy piece that I bought at thrifting, through thrifting. So I placed it there as a center table, and I just inserted the hands into it. And that's it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this Halloween creation and the ideas, especially this idea of the hat, the witch's hat, using that as a Christmas tree, a Halloween Christmas tree. Well, I think that this is it. Oh, you know what? I forgot about that fireplace. I got that fireplace, I believe it was at a flea market a while back. So I placed the skull right underneath and right in front. Then I had this other little piece. This here is a pen. That character right there is a pen. I forgot how I got it. So that's it. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much.